Louie the Bat. Written by Martha Crotty. Illustrations by My Way in Education. Louie couldn't sleep. "Mom, I can't sleep." Louie tugged on his mother's arm, which was folded across her face as she hung upside down. Louie and his mother are bats, you see, and bats hang upside down in sheltered spots, sleeping all day long. At night, when you are asleep, they wake up and fly through the treetops, searching for insects to eat. Mother Bat said, "Yes, Louie? It's too quiet and too bright. I can't sleep. Can I get up and play?" "No, Louie," said his mother. "Tuck your head under your arm to make it darker, and you'll get sleepy." Louie did tuck his head under his arm, but he kept thinking about flying around and how fun it was. He wanted it to be nighttime, so he and his friends could once again fly above the trees. "I'm still not too sleepy." Louie's mother cuddled up close to him. "What are you thinking about?" "Flying, playing with my friends, eating yummy bugs." "Those are good things to think about," said Mother Bat. "Do you think it would help you sleep if I sang you a song?" "Okay," Louie said with a yawn. Louie's mother sang a lovely song, well known by bats the world around. A song about a warm summer night, with the moon shining bright. She sang to her baby bat and told him how much she loved him. Soon Louie was sound asleep, hanging upside down, happy to be loved, happy to be himself.